Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail for e-commerce. Know how we can integrate with e-commerce. As valuable as call tracking may be, many tools are either too barebones or aren't user-friendly for agencies and their clients. How to track website call conversions. Manual call tracking. Simply asking your callers what led them to pick up the phone is the easiest way to find out where your calls are coming from. It's also a more personable technique since you're able to directly interact with your customers. This can be a good option for very small, local businesses who typically experience a low volume of calls. Simple call tracking. Google Call extensions allow you to add a phone number to your Google Ads, formerly AdWords. When a user clicks on your ad, they'll have the option to either visit your website or instantly dial your business, making these types of ads ideal for those who are trying to boost phone calls. Add Lead Center to unlock the complete CallRail platform. With Lead Center, you can sell, text, and chat from one easy-to-use form inbox. Combined with our analytics suite, you'll also have the real-time visibility to know which marketing sources are making your phone ring. 10 local numbers, 1,000 form submissions, 10,000 transcription minutes, unlimited soft phone minutes, unlimited SMS text messages. Don't guess which marketing's working. Know with call tracking. Under the hood, call tracking uses dynamic number insertion to keep track of online activity like PPC ads, emails, social media posts, and keywords. Source-level tracking follows the calls from offline marketing pieces, ads, mailers, brochures, billboards, and more. Long story short, if you can put a phone number on it, you can track it. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.